Here you go, guys. Cars and coffee. And there is a ton of supercars here.
Look at that.
Ferraris, Lotus. There's a few Lamborghinis here, McLarens. That Lotus looks pretty cool. Ariel Atom. Haven't seen one of those in a while. Howdy, alright.
I use that.
And two of them. A lot of people here today. And I did hear music on the way in, so hopefully we won't get caught with that because YouTube doesn't like it. This is how many people are here, just mobbed. Gallardo, McLarens, another McLaren. There's a lot of days here with cars and coffee. A lot of these cars. And they got the windshield tinted on this one. Yeah. It's a dealer plate. Oh, there's Lotus up here. Hopefully the wind noise doesn't catch the camera. Another Lotus. Lotus is free. I have not seen one of these in a while. Turbo is free. A lot of Corvettes here. Sure, some of my buddies had their McLarens up here. They decided to crawl out of bed. But there, I mean, it is just a sea of people here. This is so cool. It's my first one of the year they have. Oh, excuse me, guys. But up here, when I pulled in, they had quite a few Ferraris and things like that. I got the state troopers here, keeping everything in check. Mustang Cobra, Porsches. More Lamborghinis here. That is who I think that is.
Screen is just take it off.
Yeah. And we are that close to the airport. Buddy of my Hamachu's, I wonder where he's at. Gotta be here somewhere. 'Cause yeah. Oh, Volkswagen Bug vans. Volkswagen vans, these are cool. Man, there's just, it is nice to see this for this time of the year, this many people. A lot of muscle cars, supercars. A lot of them.
Yeah. I would hit up. I think you're right now.
And a buddy of mine right here. Are we a little cold?
Very cold. How are you?
What's going on?
Yeah.
I just recorded the car. I knew you'd be here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. If not, I was gonna call you and go, where are you? You need to be here. Yeah, it's a good turnout, man. This is really good. It's a good turnout. I'm gonna walk around. I'll catch up with you a little later. And they have an R34 here. Buddy Matthew, cool guy. Oh, no, it's a four-door. Or is it a...
I know this is really expensive, but when these young
Let's see how they have this registered. And 99. So it would be an R34, but it's just not a GTR. Still cool to see it. Man, I mean, I can be recording in here forever. There's so many cars. I mean, it's just wall to wall cars. A lot of vendors here. Man, this is so nice to see. I think they have cars on the other side, but I'm not sure. A lot of vendors. It's a little chilly today. It's only in the 50s. Past couple of days we had some really nice weather, and unfortunately the temperature dropped. They got food here, which we're probably going to be hitting that up pretty soon. Even being like 10 o'clock in the morning right now, this is how packed it is, and it's not fully loaded yet either. Yeah, a lot of these cars are coming in this way. I don't know if they have cars over there. You know what? Time to take a quick look. Or is it just... Yeah, those are just... Oh, wait a minute. They might have a few over here. Just for the heck of it. Yeah, there's... Okay. Yeah, those are just... people that have showed up here for parking. But yeah, it's just finally starting to really fill in. When I did this a couple years ago, I mean, it was nowhere near this good. Nowhere near it. I mean, looking to see if there's any familiar cars, but I'm not sure. A lot of people revving their motors. Prelude. I mean, these are cool cars. They're not bad. But
Trick it out with those. I'm like, no, you don't. We already refused this stuff, boy.
old Cougars. Wow. Man. Yeah, 240 with a Sylvia front end. Well, let's just see if it is a true right-hand drive. Yeah, it is. Yes, it is. There's one way to tell where the windshield wiper motor goes. Yeah, it's a true one, which is nice to see. Oh yeah, there we go. RB in it. Nice to see. I know I didn't do my intro because I just wanted to record a lot of these cars.
So was it?
That's cool.
You bought it here in Edward, so did somebody?
That is neat.
Somebody import
For
it
being a little
individually, or were they selling it?
little British car, whatever it may be. It is cool. But yeah, there's a lot to cover here. A lot of people are just getting here still. You got your common car, your Challengers, things like that.
Like, oh, you're just...
I took it to
Yeah, I had to come through the other way, unfortunately. little windy. Hopefully the camera doesn't pick up too much of it. And we got some guys revving their motors, you know, because they want everybody to know they're here. Well, and they're playing music over there, so which means I can't go over there because I'll get a copyright strike, and that I don't want. Another 240 right here. Gotta have so many of these cars. Take those. Yeah, but they put something right in it. Yeah, I was swapped it, which is really cool. So yeah. Now these. Yeah, a lot of people to try and maneuver around here. So Volkswagen, these Rabbit convertibles are actually really cool, which is really nice. It's nice to see one of these that has survived, because a lot of them haven't. I'll take a walk down this way, but I'm gonna have to split this up into probably 2 videos, because unfortunately can't do it while there is music playing, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Oh, airbag though, how hard they're cambered. Yep. No, there are a lot of right-hand drive cars here. A lot of them. It is cool to see them though, here in the States. RB20 in it. Not a bad motor stuff in it. They're reliable. Let's see what we got down here. A lot of Corvettes. A lot of now this is what I kind of like to see, is some of the old Chevy trucks. Oh God. Somebody got cute and decided to duct tape on a whole bunch of aerodynamics. Oh, that's funny. There's always one. Goldfish pole. God, the AMC Pacer. I've seen this on the internet before. It's actually kind of cool. But yeah, then you got the, you know, the regular guys that go to all the car shows right here. So, but the Silverado, I actually recorded one of these recently, but I think with a short bed. Let's see what year this is. Probably an 86. Yeah, 86, just like the one I recorded. An old Datsun right here, which is cool. Yeah, a lot of common cars. Alright guys, I'm going to end this one off here. If you like this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe, which does help out my channel a lot. Till then, take care, and I'll see you guys on the next one.